How would you like to invest in the best deals that the market has? Well, here at Lone Star, we do all the hard work for you. And what I mean by that is our team, we have 2 people on our acquisitions team that underwrite and analyze about 150 deals quarterly, which roughly is about 600 deals a year. Of that 600 deals, we say yes and probably purchase about 6 to 10 year, depending upon market conditions and if things make sense. We never really try to force anything. Why this is awesome for you is because when you're personally going through it, it's very difficult to really analyze everything, read through everything, put it into your model for underwriting. So we do a lot of the guesswork, the hard work, the vetting to provide you the best things that we have to bear. Additionally, there could be something that looks like a good deal or a property that you like, but maybe the numbers aren't great. Maybe some other sponsor loved it a little bit more than we did, and in fact actually paid several millions of dollars more than what we valued it at. So the reason why this is great for you is because we go through the hard work, we make sure that the price actually makes sense, that it can be a profitable purchase, and also on the exit, everyone can get great value there and make a bunch of money on that. A story about this actually was a deal that we almost said yes to in Dallas, but we actually said no to it. It was actually a loan assumption opportunity, so the debt looked pretty good in contrast to where the market was. There was a pretty decent tarmac, meaning years left on the loan, but the issue was the risk profile to this deal. It was a 70 vintage deal. Everyone wants to buy in Dallas, obviously us included, but it just didn't make sense on the kind of fact that it had boilers and chillers and just the grade of it. So we knew that the deferred maintenance items here that were left unaddressed would be our burden, especially if we hold that property longer. So we felt as if this wasn't of quality that we could feel comfortable and confident in sending out to our investors. Therefore, we elected to not move forward with this offering. Perhaps if we could get it at a hefty discount where maybe we got a set number of millions of dollars off, we could have said yes to it. But without that, the other owner wasn't willing to budge on that. We elected to pass, and due to that, we actually bought an amazing deal in Dallas, Candlelight Park, which we closed on, that we think is a total home run. And we're currently in contract on a few properties right now that we also think are just better value in the marketplace today. So hopefully you found this insightful. When you look at the amount of junk that we frankly had to sift through, or off markets that people say are so great, that actually, when you run the numbers, aren't so great. So I hope you find that helpful.